So how do you feel Parasite SEO is going in 2025?
So I've said this before, but I think that Parasite SEO is kind of like double bubble, is what I like to call it. So imagine in a world where you could rank your website number 1, and then a Parasite SEO article number 2, and another Parasite SEO article number 3. It just means that you're getting more clicks. It might be like more of a delayed click. So they might need to go to like Medium and then your website, but it's just more traffic overall. So I just think it's a good strategy. Like, why wouldn't you do it especially if it's working as well? Like, there's a lot of guys that I've been following, and they do it on like LinkedIn Pulse. They do it on Medium. There's tons of websites that just do it and it works. So yeah, it just makes sense. It honestly just makes sense to do it.
If anybody is like starting out and like is confused, should I invest in like Parasite SEO or building up my website? What's, one should go for?
Parasite SEO is very good for quick results, I would say. Long-term SEO, so like SEOing your own website, is good for long-term results. So Parasite SEO quick, your own website, ranking it long.
Okay.